Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Zobo. First, gather your ingredients for this delicious drink. You will need about 2 cups of dried hibiscus leaves, which are the Zobo leaves themselves. Also, prepare a 2-inch piece of fresh ginger, roughly chopped, and 1 teaspoon of whole cloves. A medium pineapple, peeled and cored, will add a wonderful natural sweetness and aroma. Have your preferred sweetener, such as honey or a half cup of sugar, ready for later. Once your ingredients are ready, properly clean the hibiscus leaves. Rinse about 2 cups of dried Zobo leaves thoroughly under cold running water, removing any dust or debris. Then, transfer the washed leaves into a large pot. Add about 8 cups of fresh water to the pot, ensuring the leaves are fully submerged. Bring this mixture to a vigorous boil over high heat and let it continue boiling for 10 minutes. This initial step is crucial for drawing out the deep color and rich essence of the Zobo. After the 10 minutes of initial boiling, add your flavorings to the pot. Carefully place the chopped 2-inch piece of ginger, 1 teaspoon of whole cloves, and the peeled pineapple pieces into the simmering liquid. Reduce the heat to low, allowing everything to gently simmer. Cover the pot and let it continue cooking for at least 25 to 30 minutes. This extended simmering time allows the rich aromas and tastes to fully develop, creating a wonderfully complex flavor profile for your Zobo. When the Zobo has finished simmering, take the pot off the heat. Allow the entire mixture to cool down to room temperature, which might take about 1 hour. Next, carefully strain the liquid using a fine mesh sieve or a clean cheesecloth into a large, clean pitcher or bowl. Discard all the solids, you only want the vibrant liquid. Now, add your desired sweetener, perhaps a half cup of sugar or some honey, stirring well until it completely dissolves into the Zobo.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.